Hello friends, this is Mukesh and I welcome you all to my channel Study Stimulant. We were seeing some important question on welding processes. So let's start it. First question is, in arc welding, arc is created between the electrode and work by flow of current, voltage, material thickness, contact resistance. So the answer for this question is flow of current. This is a diagram for arc welding. The components are electrode holder, electrode, workpiece, and this is a welding machine. One terminal of welding machine is connected to workpiece, other is connected to electrode holder, and arc is created over here due to the current flow. Question number 12. For arc welding, the electrodes are made up of A. Copper, B. Aluminum, C. Graphite, or D. ACSR conductor. So the answer for this question is option number C, graphite. Electrodes of arc heating is made up of graphite. Question number 13. Filler metals is used in A. Spot welding, B. Projection welding, C. Gas welding, or D. Steam welding. So the answer for this question is option number C, gas welding. Filler metal is used in gas welding. Question number 14. Oxygen to acetylene ratio in case of neutral flame is option A 0.8 to 1, 1 is to 1, 1.2 is to 1, 2 is to 1. For neutral flame it is 1 is to 1. And remember, carburizing 0.9 is to 1 and oxidizing 1.2 is to 1. The phenomena of weld decay occurs in A. Cast iron, B. Brass, C. Bronze, or D. Stainless steel. Weld decay occurs in stainless steel. So option D is the correct answer. Projection welding is multi-spot welding process, continuous spot welding process, used to form mesh, or D, used to make cantilevers. So projection welding is basically multi-spot welding process. So option A is correct. Here is a figure for projection welding. These are dies to press the workpiece, and these are two spots, or we can say projections, so that it is a multi-point projection welding. Which welding process uses a consumable electrode? A. Laser welding, B. Thermite welding, C. Gas welding, tungsten inert gas welding, or metal inert gas welding. So the option for this question is consumable electrode. Option number D, MIG welding. Here is a difference between MIG and TIG welding. In MIG welding, this electrode wire filler material is for electrode, which is consumed here, and in TIG welding, no such electrode wire is used. Here tungsten as a electrode is used. Question number 18. Welding process using a pool of molten metal is A. Carbon arc welding, B. Submerged arc welding, C. TIG welding, or D. MIG welding. So the option for this question is option number B, submerged arc welding, in which a pool of molten metal is used. Here is a figure for a submerged arc welding. A DC power supply is used to heat up this drive roller. Due to heating, this fuse flux is heated and weld pool is formed over here. Which of the following is an example of semi-automatic welding process? A. TIG welding, B. MIG welding, C. Submerged arc welding, or D. Resistance welding. So the option B is correct for this MIG welding. Solder is essentially a किस मटेरियल का होता है सोल्डर? टीन लीड बेस अलॉय, सिल्वर लीड बेस अलॉय, बिस्मथ लीड बेस अलॉय और टीन सिल्वर बेस अलॉय. तो ये टीन और लीड का बना होता है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. सो आज के लिए हम इतने ही क्वेश्चन रखते हैं. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and share with your friends. Thank you.